In this video, guys, I will show you how to log in Metro Bank United Kingdom. So guys, if you want to log in your account on United Kingdom, go to Google, search for Metro Bank UK, click the first result. From here, guys, you see this option, you see login option, and then if you have a personal account, click on personal banking. You see this page, guys, you can see here. Enter your 12-digit customer number or your username, for example, your username. And if you forget your customer number, just click forget customer number, and then you will recuperate your customer number from this banner here, customer number. So guys, this is if you want to log in on your app, just click Metro Bank United Kingdom app, and you should be download this app on App Store or Play Store. When you log in your app, guys, just complete the same step as I say on the video. So guys, this is how you can do. It is easy steps. I have this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video for more content, and I see you on other videos.